Right. What is it? December 21st. It's almost Christmas. I'm in the city. Ring-a-ding. Singling. Anyway, how y'all doing? That's almost Christmas time weather. Nearly no sun on the watch. Can't beat it. It's probably 45 degrees. Oh, it's almost dark. It's like what, 4 something. Whatever. I think we're around 4:20. Week content. Anyway. Ailerons. Let's give a shout out to Captain Robert and Captain Blas over in Slovenia. You guys that watch your channel, I don't know what to tell you. A couple brothers that make some cool videos, you know, saying I'll have a good time. I'll try to do. Burning some stuff that way. Down yonder direction. Oh, yep, that's never a good thing. Oh, a brick. I am hard on stuff, I tell you. Sends me to Oakley. Oakley. Give me some trims. I slid some stuff forward in there. There we go. A little rash at the beginning there. See it raw, live, unedited in my videos. Crashes. What is this thing anyway? It's UMX. Cessna. But no more UMX. I stuck a regular 6-channel receiver in there. Spektrum jobby. Got a 20 amp speed control. It's made for 2 and 3S. I got the little 2S battery. That's stockeroni in there. Around fantastic. Unless you're like me, when you take off, you don't check your CG. Who does that? It's for wussies. Slow flyby for the brothers, huh? Petite Reach. I can't remember how they were saying. They said their last name. Robert and Blas. Other side. Let's get some altitude. Huh? See how she rolls. Geese are squawking, migrating. See a bunch directions. Pay attention to what's going on. Watch the dang geese. Whoa. This is a fair Wayne flex. Like that struts off. Didn't snap though. Try and land her, huh? Just a little flyby. See what we're gonna have here. Slow her down. Okay, that's gonna just fire. I hear you. You start yelling at me, Missy. So much traffic next time I was coming down the road before I land. See? Traffic. Yeah, runway 275. We've got the Toyota runway. That's right. Definitely would better take off, wouldn't it? Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. Well, we're going to get this on a rating. What's the potential better? Do they go to 1 to 10, right? Stock, I don't know. I fly up for up, down for down on my stick, so the gyro doesn't exactly work for me. So I always take them out. Otherwise, you know, I'd say it's nice 8 at least. And working flaps would be pretty cool. That'd probably be pretty easy though. Not too much weight for it though. But alright, let's go. It's cold. My fingers is cold.